There's a big issue with power steering filters in that 30% are roughly returned. Why? Because the number one leading filter only accounts for about 65% coverage. Hi everyone, I'm Dan Billy. In this third video segment, I'm excited to introduce another industry first in the power steering segment. You know, Plews and Edelmann has been hard at work designing differentiation into every aspect of power steering. We've already introduced the hard parts strategy and what we're trying to accomplish. We provide world-leading power steering hoses in both our standard hose as well as Edelmann Elite hoses. And I'm excited to announce a patent-pending technology with regard to the power steering filter. Many of you may not know that in order to cover all vehicle makes and models, you need 3 or more power steering filters to be able to provide that coverage and say yes 100% of the time. People think it's universal, they buy it, and they get frustrated because it doesn't fit their vehicle. These inline filters are required on 3/8 inch, half inch, as well as 5/8 inch hose designs. And if you don't have that fitment, your filter's not going to work. In addition, it's been a struggle in the past to be able to develop a body of that filter to be able to fill all those fitments and those flow rates, both in and out. We've overcome that dilemma, and I'm really proud of our engineering team for doing so. You will soon be seeing a consolidated SKU that provides universal coverage for all makes and models. And we're really excited about this. It's not just something as simple as making sure that your inlet and your outlet match your hose type. There's a lot of technology built into the body of the filter. There's dual filtration technology that pulls away both metal and non-metal fragments. It provides higher capacity and flow rate to be able to filter out what needs to, but also allow the power steering fluid to do its job. Again, another industry first. We're excited about it. There is no excuse not to have this SKU forward deployed in every store, in every location, so that when a customer buys a hard part, they're buying a hose and the filter.